adventure. Got Anna here. Hey, Anna. And we're gonna adventure.
The place where
I'm gonna go down here.
Gerettet. Ich habe nochmal umgeparkt und ich habe geschaut und alle anderen. Glück dann, vielen Dank, dass Sie uns Bescheid gegeben haben.
Da haben sie jetzt letzte Woche haben sie mal einige abgezockt, 55 Euro. Aber inzwischen kann man hier nicht mehr parken.
It's the guy that warned us about parking.
Also Gott sei Dank sind sie zu
Crazy.
fair.
Okay, ja.
Und dann lassen nicht den Leuten einfahren.
Ja.
kassieren
The
55
odds.
Euro. Ich wünsche alles Gute.
Danke, gleichfalls.
Ciao. That's crazy that we bumped into him.
Ja.
We're gonna see how cold this water is. Cause your boy really don't do well in cold. So we're gonna see. Other people out there, it's not even cold. Actually, I'm trying to act tough in front of everybody because there's like 100 people watching me. And you know your boy. The boy's not gonna act like a little weakling. Abort mission, abort mission. We're not gonna go in. We're not gonna go in. Ladies and gentlemen, Anna just said I'm not gonna get in. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna prove her wrong. And I'm gonna get in and then splash her. Alright, here we go. Woo. And I'm in, baby! This current is pretty strong though.
Ja.
I'm getting floated away. It's actually not that bad. I thought it was gonna be a lot worse. You get used to it. Come on, you baby. Come on, you baby. Get in there. Wait, where's the German blood? Where's the German heritage? Who's gonna save her? Not me. Da, 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 da. Wasn't as bad as I thought, honestly. But my balls are literally icicles right now. They are ice cubes. I don't know if I can have babies after this, honestly. All right, so now Anna's taking me to a castle. What's the castle called?
Aus Nymphenburg.
I'm not gonna repeat that. And I'm just gonna walk around, get some cool drone footage, and yeah, it should be cool. Alright, so apparently Anna looked it up and it's illegal to fly your drone here if you don't have a permit. I already flew my drone and I thought it was someone that like worked there at security that was gonna come up to me and talk to me about it. It turns out it was just an older lady just walking that had a bright vest on. So okay, and now gonna watch sunset at this lake called, yeah, definitely not gonna repeat that as well. As you can see, I'm in the train station. I got 13 minutes left before my train leaves. And I'm gonna get some stuff to drink and eat because I got a 6-hour train ride before my next stop. So yeah, I don't know why I always cut it close, but I do. There she is, 21.